Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can create content quickly with minimal effort. Now, if you're running a business of any kind, sometimes you don't have the capital to hire content creators, right? You don't have the money to hire expensive agencies. You need to find a quick way, a realistic way, and also a time saving manner where you can create a big content and then you create snippets of little content. So what I mean by this, recently when I started the marketing agency, we focused a lot on digital marketing content. What else? We focus on tips and tricks, blogs. But the only problem that you come up with is when you want to create content is unique. You know, there's too many competition out there. There are people with better videos than you, people who have spent hours editing videos, people who have spent many years doing all these nice tricks and whatnot on camera, right? So now, how do you have a unique proposition? You have a UP, and then you want to combine with time saving. You want to combine with economical solutions to come out with different unique content. Okay. Now you need to have a strategy where you can create something that is big and then you quickly put out daily content or 3 or 4 times a week across all your platforms quickly. Something that I would like to share is this. So if you go into our YouTube page, now what we have here is it is a cluster of plan. Okay, so we're using a lot of uh, what do you call this? These podcast clips where we have the big podcast, okay, which is like the 1 hour podcast, 2 hour podcast. Then you create all these clusters of clips, right? You pretty much chop it up and then you just put it out there. It's debatable. Some might say it's a lazy way of doing things. I don't think so because number one, you're a business. Number two, you need to identify your brand with a person that people can trust, a person that people actually speaks to. You're not just creating content just to educate. Who are you to educate anyone? What if they don't want to listen to you? They don't know you, they don't know how you look like. So the easiest way to present yourself is to be able to do something that's a bit more impromptu, and then just a little bit of snippets of this kind of content, or like commercial content such as these, or holiday content. See, we're just spreading out clips of our podcast here. There is nothing hard about this. Why I say this? Because uh, as you work in your business, as you create more awareness, getting more clients, uh, things that are actually bringing in money, okay? Sometimes, actually most of the time, most businesses do not have the time to create content. So you need to be able to create something that is easy, but at the same time unique. Because these are topics I can guarantee you, you go out there, yeah, there are different versions of it, but the most unique selling point is that you are the one who's talking about the business. You understand what you're talking about. This is what people look at when people are trying to prospect and trying to understand whether or not you really know the subject topic. Okay. Now, how do you record all these things? Well, honestly speaking, for this section right here, we only use our phone. This particular phone right here, I only use this phone, and we invested in a, what do you call those small microphones where we just kind of lapel mics where we put on our chest, and then we just talk, right? And the next question is, what am I going to talk about? You can talk about anything. It doesn't have to be. A lot of these things here, they're not like related to digital marketing. What it is showing people that you have you can relate a human experience, and you can also combine snippets of stories, because that's what people want to hear. People don't want to hear another guide on how to do digital marketing for 2025. They don't really want to hear that. They want to hear something new. They want to hear something that is unique. And that's what I think what people are looking for. All right. Of course, we only had 10 subscribers. That doesn't mean you're going to go viral. What I'm just trying to say to you is, if you don't have the time and you don't know what you're going to do, instead of wasting time thinking about the perfect plan, content strategy, you just do it. Okay, get a camera, get a mic, and talk. And then you just clip it out. Right? Obviously, I have my partners doing all these clips for us. Now, if you're running out of topics, you can just go to DeepSeek and ask, what is a good podcast topic for my marketing agency? Right? This is a free tool. So it's just going to give you all these topics, hopefully, when it's quick enough. But the whole point here is that with all the available tools out there is no excuse. Okay? There's no excuse for you to not create content, because nowadays, if you want to prepare yourself for the Generation Z, when you want to prepare yourself for the future customers, for the future clients, the children of the parents, you need to be able to get ready and implement a digital marketing approach to bring your business up online. There's no running away from this. In Sarawak, it's still not mature yet, it's not there yet, but I can guarantee you it will be there. And before it gets dense, it's better for you to catch up and do all these businesses, do all these content marketing strategies. And once you get all the capital, you can start hiring people to do all these things based on your core strategy. All right, that doesn't mean you completely stop it. You need to keep doing it to make your business more relevant. The more you do it, the more the social media is going to like your business, the more the algorithm is going to love your content, and you get more visibility, and they understand your business and whatnot, right? Guys, there are no excuses nowadays. Okay, so I really hope this is a good, because podcast is new-ish. It's not really completely new, fresh from the oven. It's new in a sense where it only got popular like maybe 5 years ago, 3 years ago, and everyone's kind of like doing it. So if you're a business who has some offer of value, you can use a podcast strategy to come out with content. Okay, guys, there are no excuses right now. You can just go to DeepSeek and you can ask your friends what we're going to talk about, and you don't even need a script. You can just talk about it. If you're really good at what you're doing, if you know what you're doing, well, you should be, because you're in a business, you're doing a business, you understand what you're talking about. People resonate to that, and only then you get customers. That is the real way to get customers. It's not pretending to be somebody who doesn't know anything. You're just pretending you're an expert. Everyone's an expert nowadays. Everyone on the internet is an expert nowadays. You need to put yourself in a position where you're better and you're more natural and you want to communicate well, and all these things all put together. Okay, guys? So yeah, next is the tools that you can use. We use, what is this tool called? Oh yeah, CapCut. See, we use CapCut for tools, and this thing is not expensive. You only pay $20, right? You can install. I don't care. I don't install new version of it. So see, find out how you're going to use CapCut. There is a free version. We obviously have the paid version because we prefer a few fonts. Okay, just go with the big podcast and then clip and slice it through. You will have 6 months worth of content, 3 months worth of content, so it just keeps running. You see, now don't give up on these things, because this is an opportunity for you. There are so many tools out there, guys. If you're not taking advantage, you're just losing out and you're just sleeping. While we are working on content, and many businesses out there that we're helping, we're also helping out with the content. So guys, if you need any help, solutions, consultation, how to bring out your business forward, let us know. We do everything. We do the consultation. Obviously, our services are not free, but we do the consultation for free. We give you some kind of brief strategy to see where your business is at, how good is your Google reviews, etc., etc. Right? You can just come to our website. Right? On our website, go down here, and just put all your information, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay? Thank you, guys.